Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fiesta transmission control module. This repair can seem daunting, but with careful steps, you can successfully complete it yourself. We will cover everything from initial preparation to the crucial programming of your new module. Following these instructions can save you hundreds of dollars and get your vehicle shifting smoothly again. Let's get started on this important automotive task. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, you will need to remove the battery, its tray, and the air cleaner assembly to gain access. Locate the transmission control module, which is typically on the side of the gearbox, and detach its two electrical connectors. Then, remove the 4 bolts securing the module and carefully pry the old TCM away from the transaxle, discarding the old O-rings. Once the old module is out, carefully inspect the transaxle bore for any debris or damage. Apply a small amount of transmission fluid to the new O-rings before installation to ensure a proper seal. Gently install the new TCM, making sure it sits completely flush against the transaxle. Then, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors and reassemble the battery tray and air cleaner components, tightening all bolts to their proper specifications. After installation, programming your new transmission control module is a critical step. You will need a diagnostic scanner capable of performing module programming and adaptive learning procedures. This process teaches the new module your vehicle's specific shift points and clutch engagement. Finally, perform a relearn drive cycle, including various speeds and gear engagements, to ensure optimal transmission performance. If you do not have access to such a tool, it is best to consult a qualified mechanic for this final, essential step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.